Okay, in this example we're going to write a logic program. So as we press on the button of the DLT, the labels will change every time we press on that key. First we create our toolkit project, and we just need to our DLT. Okay, we just created this screen up and down button, and the function is going to be bell press, because every time we press on it we want the state of this label to change. And we save that to database. Okay, that's all we need to do in our toolkit project. Now we open our picket and create a project for color touchscreen. Create blank project, see touch color, next. Okay, we select our CWAS project, next, and finish. If you're going to transfer this to the touch screen, the first thing we should do is create a tools page, files, template, okay, pages, color, tools. So we add a tools page to our project. Okay, now we can start writing our logic. Module. Going up down. Okay, we need to define a variable. Global variable. Alright, we just call this variable and up, down, switch. And this is gonna be integer. First we can write a bit of description here what this module is gonna do. It's gonna change the DLT label as the key 1 is switch on off. Okay, we can write the logic now. Once you get CWAS site, equals so this one, as we press the button, it increases that number by 1. Okay, then we check to see how many times the button is pressed. When it's equal 1, then begin and end. Sivas. Level. Down to be 1. Now we need to write a label on the DLT. Now to write something to the DLT label, go to System IO, set IB System IO. From here we select label group text. We choose the button, screen up down, variant 1. Okay, and that generates all this code. Set the strings IB System IO. The only one we have to change is this bit here. That's actual label what we're gonna write. Comma, we write down. Okay, that should write that down when we press the button once. Okay, we have to repeat this procedure when the switch equals 2. So we can copy the whole lot here. Control C, Control V equals 2. This one's gonna be 0%, and the label is gonna be up. Okay, it's done. Okay, I'll just go through the logic one more time. Basically here we're just checking the state of the button on the DLT, if it's on or off. If it's pressed, then we count how many times it's pressed. So initially this one will be 0 plus 0 plus 1, so it will be this condition. Call 1, then we set that group to 100%, and also we write the label down to the DLT. Basically this is the label text, local, that's lighting, that's the key, the group we put in the key, and this 0 here is the variant. 0 actually means variant 1, so there are 4, we can choose 0, 1, 2, 3. And then when second time we press the button, this condition becomes true, and again we set the lighting level to 0 this time, and again we write on the screen up, so we can change this anything we want, and we reset the how many number of times we've pressed the button, make it 0 again, then back to the top. Okay, to test our program just from the screen, make sure we go to options, we run our logic, also option, click connect to CBus, you should see green bar here. Now it's ready to be tested. Okay, now we test the button, down, press it again, up.